Guys, you got to be careful. Guys, you got to be careful. I'm going to adjust this some here. Let's see, let's do this. We are looking, as we're raking, we came up on a bumblebee nest. I don't know if you guys can see them. They are not aggressive by nature. However, if they do feel like you are a threat to their nest, they'll let you know it. So we're going to get some pictures of that. We're going to try to continue to work on the outside of them. And we'll keep going. Let me set this down here in case I have to make a run for it. For those of you who don't know, I am allergic to bees, so once again, treat all of God's creation with respect, and they'll respect you back.